atmosphere is amazing because we are all surrounded by people that want to learn more about AI, about technology, and about how to work smarter.
This time we had the pleasure to meet many people who are new to the Atlassian tools and the Atlassian ecosystem, and it was a very good feedback that we got from this fairly new audience. So I believe the event was a big success here in Romania.
I'm very curious what's going to be next day.
It's the first Atlassian event in Bucharest, and I'm super excited. We were talking to so many people who are already using Atlassian products and are from Romania, but are also completely new to Atlassian. So it's great to see all of the different perspectives and the curiosity about how to improve the work and the teamwork in general.